Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you how to create this really, really cool E6 chemicals cross-processing color effect. Okay, this is really awesome, seen in magazines, books all across the world, and it's a very popular, trendy type of effect. Okay, and like in traditional photography, when they develop film, they actually use real chemicals and things like that to get this effect. But we're not using chemicals in Photoshop, obviously, so we're going to use some of the tools and image adjustments in Photoshop to actually create this effect. If you're looking for more of a filmic type look, then definitely try to apply this to your portraits and things in Photoshop. It really, really looks hot. So I like to actually go ahead and special thanks to Martin Evening for this effect. He is the author of Adobe Photoshop for Photographers. Okay, that book is, you can find it anywhere. You can go to Borders, Amazon, you can go to like Barnes and Noble, and actually right now Adobe Photoshop CS for Photographers is now available, so be sure to check that out. Okay, so the very first thing you can see right here, this is the before picture over here, and this is after applying the chemical effect to the image, okay? And so what I'm going to do here is actually go ahead and minimize this, and let's start on our untouched image over here. And all I will do is actually just go ahead and center the image here just a little bit. I'm going to come up here to image and go down here to adjustments. Curves is going to allow us to get that really cool chemical type look to our photos. Okay, so all you have to do is just try to match your curves to mine as close as possible. I'm going to start off with channel RGB, and I'm just going to come in here and just create an anchor right about here and just pull that up just a little bit right there, and create another one right here and just pull that down, match that up about there. There we go. And I'm just going to come down here and just pull this right about there. Okay, and then after this, come up here to channel and then select from this menu right here, select red. Okay, so we're actually going to change all the channels. Okay, that's what makes it so cool. So I'm going to select red and then just come in here, pull this in just a little bit at the top, right about here. And then I'm going to come down here to the middle, make another anchor, and just pull that out. Let's pull that out closer to over on this side. Okay, and you can totally see the effect happening to the image now, giving more of like that chemical type of effect that's just seen everywhere. It's a really hot result. I'm going to come down here and just make another anchor. Probably not needed, but I'm just going to drag this up a little bit right there. Okay, cool. Okay, from the channels, I'm going to select green now. Okay, and I'm just going to come in here, not too much, not huge adjustments to the green channel. I'm just going to come down here, just pull this down a little bit, and just maybe come down here and just make that so between these 2 points right here, just so you get to a slight curve between these 2 points. Just a very slight curve through there. There you go. And then I'm going to come right back up here to channels and select blue. Okay, this is our last channel, so I just pull this top pointer, this top anchor down here a little bit. Okay, this is where you're going to create more of that yellowish type of look to the image. Okay, this is the more farther down you go, the more yellow you're going to have in your image. So just be careful, just to adjust that to your liking. And I'm just going to leave that right about there. And just go ahead and just curve this out just a little bit right about there. There we go. And pull this in here just a little bit. There we go. This is what it was before, and now this is after. And I'm just going to get a little more yellow in there. I'm just going to pull this down a little bit and then bring this in just a little bit more right about there. There we go. Looking pretty good. Looking pretty good. And so that is how we can create some really, really cool chemical type effects to our images. And, you might not even want to go to the blue channel or the green channel. You can just stick with the red channel if you want, or just do red and green and RGB. But this is the full-fledged way to do it. So experiment with this, and it's just amazing how many different variations we can have by controlling this curves here in the curves dialog box. So be sure to check that out and have fun with that. Again, special thanks to Martin Evening, author of Adobe Photoshop for Photographers. And thank you very much. We'll see you later.